Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how we can enable or disable store mode. At the first you have to go for the settings button on your remote control. Next go for all settings. Find the general. Move to the additional settings. And as you can see here we can find the home or store mode. So we have to decide what you want to get. You can change simply for store mode. And as you can see, the store mode is for in-store display purposes. It will reinstall the settings in a very few minutes. Of course, I'm not the one to get it, but if you want, you have to click yes. I'm going to stay here, and if you want to change from the store mode to the home mode, you have to simply pick the home mode. So it's very simple, right? And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.